How to set up TP-Link RE650 range extender using your smartphone. First, plug in your extender to a power outlet next to your Wi-Fi router and wait for the power indicator to start glowing solid. Next, install TP-Link Tether application on your smartphone from App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the application. Accept the terms of use. Upper checkbox is optional. Hit Continue. Allow to find devices on local network. Tap I've already given local network permission. Create a TP-Link ID or log into your existing account. Allow or decline notifications from the app. Skip two-step verification for now. You can set it up later. Hit OK. Now you need to connect to the extender setup network. To do this, open your Wi-Fi settings and find the network which is named TP-Link Extender. Tap on its name to connect. Once connected, go back to the application. Tap on your extender's model name. Create your device administrator password. Confirm password in the next field. Tap Next. Select 2.4 GHz network you want to extend. If you have dual band network, don't worry, just tap on its name. Enter your current Wi-Fi password. Tap Next at the top right. Repeat the same action for 5 GHz network. Check your main network passwords and hit Next. Now you can rename your extended network or stick with the default name. Once done, hit Apply. Once you see this screen, you can relocate your extender. Plug it into a power outlet between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Follow the instructions on your smartphone screen and make sure the round signal indicator is solid blue. If it's red, move your extender closer to your router. Once done, tap Location looks good. Then connect your smartphone to extended network. Just tap Connect. Confirm your action by tapping Join and just wait. Then tap anywhere on the screen and manage your extender in the application. You're all set. Thanks for watching.